Upgraded 3-in-1 kitchen sink drain strainer and sink stopper, stainless steel kitchen drain plug-in sink installation parts with anti-clogging basket, fit US standard 3/2 sink drain hole. About this item. Upgraded 3-in-1 kitchen sink drain strainer or kitchen sink strainer, combined sink drain strainer, kitchen sink stopper and odor isolation together. Press down the pop-up button to store water for washing, press again to drain water while catching food waste or scrap from going down the drain. A reliable anti-clogging helper. Premium materials, high quality and rust-proof stainless steel can fit seamlessly into your sink. Food-safe material basket strain moss and stone 2-in-1 personal mini blender with additional blender cups, amazing bullet blenders for making smoothie, white and black juice and smoothie maker. About this item. Professional blender cup, our small blender will accompany you everywhere and provide you with healthier, more beneficial results. Enjoy smoothies from your favorite fruits and vegetables, protein shakes, summer drinks, soups, and baby food in a minimum of time. Strong blender for smoothies, our personal blender for shakes and smoothies has a 17 ounces transparent PC blending cup with a strong cross number 304 stain. Mini waffle maker, for waffle mold, non-stick waffle iron with quick heat up, non-stick surface, perfect mini waffle maker for kids and families, just add batter, black. About this item. Mini waffle maker, this mini waffle maker cooks 4 snack-sized mini waffles. Make adorable bite-sized breakfasts in a dash or use your imagination for fun family creations. Efficient and user-friendly, simply plug it in and add batter. The built-in indicator light on this family waffle maker notifies you when the pan is ready for use in minutes, while the easy-to-use handle and magnetic refillable plastic wrap dispenser with cutter, tin aluminum foil dispenser with cutter, sturdy food cling wrap film cutter, 12-inch by 328 feet plastic wrap included. 4.34.3 out of 5 stars, 784. About this item. White check mark emoji, magnetic design. The bottom of the cling wrap dispenser with cutter has a powerful magnet which makes it adsorbed on metal surfaces such as refrigerators easily. The integrated hook buckle design makes it fit nicely on the wall and punch free also. Making packing food quick and easy, a very handy space/time saver in your kitchen. Divided snack serving tray with lid and handle travel snackle charcuterie container portable storage organizer for candy, fruits, nuts, snacks, party, picnic, 1 pack, cerulean. About this item. Easy to clean, please note that this snack tray cannot be used in dishwashers or microwaves. However, its simple design and detachable compartments make hand washing a breeze, ensuring your snack tray stays clean and hygienic. Versatile design, divided snack serving tray is your ideal companion for travel. With 8 separate food warming mat, electric warming tray for food, portable silicone warmer fast full surface heating, 5 temperature adjustable settings and 4 timer function, food warmer for daily use. About this item. Rapid full surface heating, designed with large heating wire. The heating wire is evenly distributed to ensure that the heat warms up quickly, which can quickly and evenly heat up a wide variety of foods, reducing your waiting time. Multifunctional heating mat, the grip jar opener, original under cabinet jar lid and bottle opener, effortless for weak hands and seniors with arthritis, made in USA. About this item. Easy and effective, with the lid opener mounted securely, our proven V-shape method grips the lid using its sharp dual carbon steel teeth, allowing the opener to do the work rather than your hands and wrists. Opens any lid, the grip opens any jar lid or bottle cap effortlessly. KP Kitchen Pancake Batter Dispenser, kitchen must-have tool for perfect pancakes, cupcake, waffle, muffin mix, cake and crepe, easy pour baking supplies for griddle, pancake maker with measuring label. Batter Up. KP Kitchen proudly presents to you our durable and reliable pancake dispenser and cupcake batter dispenser. Made entirely of high-quality BPA-free plastic, this easy-to-use 4-cup capacity pourer is designed with a wide mouth opening, making filling it up a breeze, and the quick close valve makes pouring the perfect pancake like a pro seem like child's play. Glass honey dispenser with food-safe ABS white lid, no drip glass with stand, 8 ounces honey jar, honeycomb design container, honey pot for honey, maple syrup. About this item. Made with FDA compliant, food safe ABS, safer than chrome coated honey pots or non-coated ABS white lid meets FDA food contact standards and offers a clean, safe alternative to chrome plated honey pots or honey containers. Enjoy worry-free use with honey, syrup, and more. Modern and elegant honey holder, honeycomb inspired glass with a clean white lid. This stylish honey holder features a honeycomb patterned glass body and a sleek, non-coated ABS white top. Immersion blender handheld hand blender 1100 watts, trigger variable speed 5-in-1 stick blender, emulsion blender with chopper, whisk and frother for soup, baby food and smoothies. About this item. No more lumpy chunks, equipped with a strength 1100 watts full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy to use variable speed trigger design, with a pulse activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy puree, emulsifying or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free, features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize meal prep kitchen station, food prep station, outdoor mobile barbecue portable camping kitchen box prep station. About this item. All-in-one versatile meal prep station, it is the perfect answer to limited counter space, and encourage you to get all ingredients ready before starting cooking, super easy to transport if you need to cook outdoors. 4 pieces reusable food storage containers with lid, clear measurement indicators in ounces, milliliters to prepare your healthy week meals, or store your leftovers, and they are durable for multiple time use. 1 PC cutting boards for kitchen, detachable plastic chopping board with juice groove is great for home. Karote 11 pieces pots and pan set non-stick, premium cooking sets, kitchen cookwares, induction cookware set, pot, and pan. Kitchen essentials. About this item. Reinforced die-cast aluminum construction ensures long-term durability and reliability while maintaining a lightweight design, bringing convenience to your cooking experience. A top-level, harder non-stick granite material with 10x Ultra non-stick performance ensures your daily cooking always safer and healthier. Recommend to hand wash the cookware as it is effortless to clean. Wipe it with a paper towel or rinse it with water. Heats up quickly and evenly with an extended bottom design on all cooktops, including induction. Original dark gray, the Lazy Susan Revolution, the first patented Lazy Susan turntable expandable for rectangular and oblong tables, kitchen and dining tables, great gift. Parties and gatherings. About this item. Family emoji, ideal for family gatherings and parties. The Lazy Susan Revolution is the perfect solution for your guests' needs and for your own peace of mind. With its patented design, this extra-large Lazy Susan will make it easy for everyone to help themselves to their favorite dish. A great invention for the home. Makes a great holiday gift. Infinity sign easily expandable for any table size. This Lazy Susan turntable is easily expandable. Extra trays, which are available separately, can be added. The Lazy Susan extension allows you to extend your Lazy Susan Revolution to any table size.